Hello! In this video, we're going to look at how to add other as an option to a drop-down list of options and how to add a text field to record further information about that. So here I am looking at my legal advocacy intake, and when I scroll down to the demographics section, I can see that there is a field for education. What I'd like to do is add other as an option on this list, and then I'd like a text box to record further information about that underneath. So to do that, I'm going to go to my All Client Data page. In Database Administration, Information Pages, All Client Data. First, I'm going to find my education field. Here it is, education. And I'm going to add an option for other. So I click on these three dots to the right of the variable name, click Edit Variable Options, and I'm going to scroll down to the bottom. The code that we use for other at EmpowerDB is 88. So I'm going to type in 88, just making sure there's not an existing 88. No, there isn't. Excellent. And I'm going to click Save Changes. Now I need to click on a new variable, drag this to the position that I'd like it to be in on the page. I'm going to select a single line text as the variable type, and I'm going to type in the name that I would like to use here. Okay, I'm just going to slightly edit this because we usually use a little underscore and then other to identify those. So I'm going to say add variable and save changes. Next, I need to go to my legal advocacy intake page, click on Edit Structure, find my education variable here, and I need to get the new one that I just created to record education other defined. I'm going to drag this and place it underneath education. Perfect. But I don't always want this field to be visible. I would like it to only be visible when other is selected for education. So I can do that by clicking on these three dots here, selecting Edit Importance Visibility, and saying visible only when condition met, and that condition is that education is entered with other. Okay, so I'm going to save changes there. And then when I go to my legal advocacy intake, if I scroll down here to education and I select other, I will now have the option to type in some further information about that and save changes here.